Good morning, y'all. Today is February 18th. It is 10 o'clock a.m. Well, it's 10:01 now. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I've already had my first class. It was at 8:30. I don't even get out of bed for that class. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I literally don't get up. But that's because she doesn't require us to get on the camera. So I just lay there and listen. I do my assignments or whatever, but I just don't literally get up. I have another class at 11:30. So I have about an hour and 30 minutes until that class. And then I have 3 clients today. One at 1 o'clock, one at 3 o'clock, and one at 6. My girl wanted to come and say hey, y'all. Say hey to the vlog, Nyla. Now this is something that I know half of my clients don't do, and it's get their spoolie and brush their lashes. I have to do it every morning because I don't see how y'all walk around with your lashes looking crazy, which I kind of need to feel right now, but the least you can do is brush them. When I have to do lashes, I don't like to wear my perfumes because I know they may be a little strong. Which the perfumes I wear aren't strong, but just for specific clients, I don't know if they can handle the smell. And then I am leaning over them, so I just wear the little roll-on oils. I don't want to tell y'all the name of this because it's very much ghetto, but it smells really it smells really good though. So y'all, it is 11 o'clock. My alarm just went off. I have 30 minutes until my anatomy class, so I'm about to eat. I have some hash browns, and I'm gonna take my vitamins, and then I'll be in class. So yeah, the vitamins I'm taking is Hair, Skin, and Nails by Nature's Bounty, the fenugreek, and then I have some chlorophyll. This is a liquid. So yeah, I have the vitamins in my hand. The Nature's Bounty is a chewy one, but I'm gonna swallow these other vitamins. And then for the chlorophyll, it's 18 drops. It's a dark green color. It doesn't really have a taste, but the aftertaste is kind of like, I don't know, I feel like it smells like grass a little bit. So you can kind of taste that, but it honestly doesn't have a taste. It kind of tastes like mint. I don't know. I don't really know, but it doesn't really have a taste. It's really the smell. We are in class. It is 11:32. So class started 2 minutes ago, but well, she just let us in. This is my anatomy class. It ends at like 12:45. So yeah, a little before class ends, I will go downstairs and I will sanitize and get prepared for my next client.
Okay, are you guys able to see screen?
It's showing the screen, but the document isn't there. The document didn't open.
just a tip for any lash artists that might be watching this, I recommend using these dentist bibs. I actually got them from Amazon. I was just thinking, like, you know, everyone's head is touching the same spot, and I just thought it was smart to use a dentist bib for everyone to lay their heads on. So yeah, I got these in yellow and orange because it goes with my colors, if y'all can see. But yeah, say hey to the vlog, Brittany. Hey y'all, my last client just left. Hey, move. But anyway, my 3 o'clock client just left. I have about an hour until my 6 o'clock comes. I'm taking this time to study, and I'm watching some Grey's Anatomy. But yeah, I'm gonna take this hour to finish up some studying, look at some Grey's Anatomy, and play with this bad dog. But yeah, I will see y'all when I have my 6 o'clock client. So y'all, I just finished one eye. We have about 30 to 40 more minutes and then we'll be done. So I'll talk to y'all when I'm done with her. Hey y'all, it is 9:51. It's almost 10 o'clock. I just got out of the shower. I'm about to eat. I have a Zaxby's Club with some fries, and then I'm drinking a Sprite. And while I'm eating, I'm about to finish up on this assignment. Today has been long but productive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.